Mugdula tag Squid Game.
Oo.
Ayaw po lang tawa ng ambalabu ha, tawa ha.
Gani na ako, nakalanta ko nagbasa gani ko ang Balabu Tower.
Magani.
Nakabasa ko.
Ang ingan ito, Labubu Tower. Ingingon po ka, Labubu Tower. Dari man ni si Thanos.
Nabasa ako.
Diba, dari si Thanos, mugdagan-dagan, ana, si Thanos. Katong naka-purple og hair ba? Ano?
Magani. Sorry siya. Mag-skip siya ba?
Magani. Ana, hoy, kanang Squid Game 1 biya kay horror ana. Pero kung sa Squid Game 2 naa si Thanos kay dili kayo horror ana ba?
Gani lang siya. Skip. Gani lang skip.
Ano na? Ding, ding,
Ano
ding.
ka lang skip?
Magani.
Skip ba? Mag-skipping ka.
Magani. Katong mag-skip ka na, mag-jump ana ba?
Mag-dragon ka.
Magani.
Bayot.
Alo?
Tell me what good is that, girl?
Gagaya pa dami oy.
Ron, why are we talking to a girl with a frog hat?
Adele. Oh, so cute.
Hey, nobody. Come back here. Tell me what's the code. Tell me what's the code of that frog.
Bruh. No, I'm laggy.
Join in ang katong game kay Kaan. Kurangan ka unsay code ato. Oh, I'm thirsty.
Yay! I'm back to normal. Never mind. Ay, wait sa guys ha. Kay na ako gitek. Hello guys. Balik na ko. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's play ito.
Oh my god. I was feeling. I was feeling good.
I'm vibing though.
That's what I tell you katong gahapon. Ay guys, katong gahapon gadula ni ani pero wala ako gi-post. Hello. Ay.
Wait, what? Are you gonna kill me or something?
Bro. Oh, he's jumping.
Oh, I think we're teaming.
Wait, I like him.
I like him.
Wow.
There's a bad him.
Me too.
Yeah, he's friendly.
We like him because he just not kill Hannah. Oh, he's my new friend.
He's so nice. He's trying to keep it as a secret. I like that game more.
Oh my god, we're just looking at Hannah's face like this.
Okay, I'm getting loud. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, everyone doesn't kill me.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Bro, I think they like you.
Okay, just found it.
I am waiting. Kay hapit na po mo muwala kay. Oh my God! 1, 2, 3. There. Okay. Umanan. There. Go forward. Nalimot na ko. What's to forward? Wait sa. Walat daw. Kung na, basin forward.
Guys, forward! I wonder what guys.
Bruh.
No!
I told you it was forward.
Give up.
Katong, isa to? Katong, wala pa po ka sure. Yung ingon kay katong yung directly.
Yeah, back to normal.
Katong directly, ingon ba forward?
Yanti. Ani, hawa nila mga anak no.
Magali.
Addicted na sa anak no.
Yeah.
Ay, na-addict.
Alin na dari oy?
At, yo, USA like bad words. F, B, and S. But Philippines word, bad word. Ikaw.
No. Ansa di? Giya. Ut. Adayan. Apu. Ta. E. Na. Mua. Asa ta?
Narito.
Ay,
Ay,
uy,
patay na.
asa? Narito. Join ama, please. Thank you.
Ayaw pag-leave, please.
Magani, please.
Oh, ikaw, bold guy, join.
Please. Dula na. Oh, thank you. Ay, guys.
Basta dali bang bold guy.
Ay, guys. Namatay si Hana sa Squid Game 2. That's why we play another game.
Yeah?
Maybe we rage quit. Maybe we did not. Ay, kanina po. Your phone is ringing.
It's your job. We need you.
Go Hunter.
We've gotten a
Your
ton of
phone
reports
is
of a
ringing.
local ghost haunting an aquarium. If you can free the curse, we will give you a large pay.
I want to be a billionaire. Rock, Roger na! Una-una mo punta
Hey,
sa
real
bus.
glad you're here.
Don't mind me.
There's been a ton of strange things happening here.
Don't mind me, don't ping the boss.
Just the other day, we heard screams. We saw random things.
Bro!
A lot more.
I'm
Wait,
recording you.
sir? Oh, yeah, oh.
I'm recording you.
It's getting really bad. Scaring all the people here in the aquarium.
You're too suspicious. Your face is too ugly.
We desperately
Like
need your
this
help.
one
These
I'm
things tell
looking
me
at.
there's a powerful ghost.
Ito man yung mga bato ng isda. Bato yung mga isda. Ba't hindi na ito ka ba? Ay, luma. Gusto mo ito mga ito. Ayan. Ay, sa taas. Sa malinis mo, ano?
love your face. I love our face. Bro, we're all girls.
Can you see the face?
Okay.
Oh. Where can you go?
I don't know. Walk through the aquarium till EM3 detects a signal.
Where?
Just walk around, girl.
Wait. Taas bakit?
Nandito ka sa taas. Yeah, I knew it. I clicked on him. Is this you?
I'm down.
Oh.
Eh, sa pikuwa.
Shoot, I'm not sure we can handle it.
I'm the boy.
I can put this on him. I can put this poop on him. By the way, where are you
You're right,
guys?
just be careful.
Huh?
Where are you guys? Oh. Okay, let's go.
Over here.
Girlies, let's go. How can I not get inside? I am 10. I can't go out inside. I am 10, you know?
We don't have a group button. Who are you?
Riley
Yeah,
from
I was here
Inside
walking around
Out.
and boom, the glass broke.
Oh, the
You should go check the thermal
thermal.
scanner. It might have caught evidence.
Yeah. Sure. You're too suspicious. Hey! No jump scare, please.
Eh, my god. If there's a jump scare, don't like scream. I saw. Oh. Where is the Ouija?
We're down.
The Ouija is there.
Is the other to pick us?
Why is the Ouija?
Oh, this one.
Ah, yeah, I told you that's the Ouija. Why does it have a smiley face?
Hmm?
It has a smiley face.
Get out.
Wala ko labot. Wala ko labot. Wala ko. How can I put my hand? Where's the dots? Oh, over there. Ala, tao. Tao.
Relax, it's me. It's a prank. Got you.
Oh, diba? Ingon ko?
Mom scared me. How big that guy?
Broski, where are you going? broski? What are you doing, broski? Oh, let's go. Place. In 1987, there was a lovely family here, but one day government came and shut them all down. They soon later built the city, but lately this exact same spot there's been reports of the father of the family hunting these parts. Leave while ah! Oh my god.
You humans think you're so brave.
Oh my
Clean the house.
my new place. Hannah, this is my place now. Oh,
My
why
new
is there
place
only
near
3
the
of
door.
us? Why is there only 3 of us? Don't mind me
One of
though.
them is getting so scary.
Don't mind me. Don't mind me. I'm just don't mind me. Clink. It's only us two. Kita lang duha. I'm joking. Ang tulo. Kay abi ako. Isa rata. Let's go.
Kasi mag-grab ang food. Ay, kita na lang duha. Kita lang duha. Oh,
Yeah. Oh. Bye-bye mga butiki.